Hey everyone! Let's talk about pimple breakouts. Kagaya ko din ba kayo na nawawala ng confidence pag nagkakaroon ng breakouts? Usually, nangyayari ito pag wala akong sapat na tulog, malapit na yung menstruation ko, and pag stress ako. This is my skin before, guys. Before I discover and taking the Siskin Supreme Collagen and Glutathione. Ayan, sobrang dry ng skin ko, stress ako tignan, and maraming pimple marks. This is the Siskin Supreme Collagen and Glutathione. I'm taking this for a month na. Sa sobrang ganda ng naging effect nito sa akin and sobrang nagustuhan ko siya, nakaubos na po ako ng 2 bottles nito. Ang maganda kasi dito guys, meron itong glutathione, collagen, hyaluronic acid, centella asiatica, and Irish moss. By the way, I'm taking Supreme 4 to 6 capsules every day, kaya sobrang bilis ng naging effect nito sa akin. So, papakita ko sa inyo. This is my skin after consistently taking Siskin Glutathione. Now, I'm slowly getting back the confidence I lost because of my pimple marks and breakouts. Syempre, sabayan na lang din natin ang magandang lifestyle, gym, and drink 8 glasses of water every day. I also keep getting compliments that my skin is glowing thanks to Siskin.